It's been a year of quiet progress, but nonetheless a year of strong progress. We're one of the best prepared to take Office of Science work and apply it to solving the problems of the nation in energy and environment. The big agenda items are like I said, four scientific initiatives. The first one is called Materials Discovery, Design, Synthesis and Processing. Second one is our catalysis program. Third one is to capitalize on our strengths in technology transfer and build a new facility for bridging the so-called valley of death between basic science and having stuff that can actually be sold. We also have great opportunities in terms of wind energy. DOE has set a goal of having 20% of the nation's energy supply, nation's electricity, provided by wind. They said in the next 20 years. I think they're backing off to 30 years, realizing that it's a major challenge. But like I said, we've got to get our stuff ready in time. We've got to anticipate needs better than we have in the past. Get our proposals ready ahead of time. Tell our story better. Make sure DOE hears it, but make sure the public hears it. That's going to be our agenda for the year.